how to add your Twitter to your profile on Udemy, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add it easy and quick. First open your browser and then go to Udemy, and once you're here click on your profile here in top corner, and as you see here you will find your profile settings. Then just scroll down and here you will find Twitter, click on it. Now just type here your Twitter username and that's it. Just type anything you want here and then click save, and that's it, it will be saved. And now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.